Hi there, it's Paul from GarageMaster. I'm just going to show you quickly the new expenses part of the system that allows me to store my expenses. So start off by looking at the system. You've got expenses categories where you can add a category into there. So let's create a new one called air travel. I'm just making this up. Save and return. And then in the expenses section you can actually add, if you do this on your phone, I did this one on my phone last night, you can add it directly from your phone. So you can see in this case, let's call this travel expenses, dinner. So if I was on my phone, I could just photograph straight away and upload it straight away into the system. So that means that you can load your expenses from your receipts very, very easily, and you can see an image of it and you can upload the image, which is pretty cool. So just go into system, expense categories, set your expense categories up first, just like you did with sales categories, and then you can just use the expenses section to add your expenses. And if you want to export them out, you can do export into CSV like that, and that'll actually export your expenses out. If you do a search first, so if you choose date of expense and then choose range, you could say this month, for instance, and do go, and then export that. You can export your expenses out, and what you can do is then you'll have them in Excel. I'm going to do a report thing, I haven't got around to doing that yet. So that's everything's coming new. It's only £30 a month to have this incredible system to run any kind of mechanical garage business, electrical, if you're an electrical engineer or whatever you do with vehicles, this is going to be useful to you. Okay, thanks very much. It's GarageMaster.shop.